There is a tool sitting inside your Google account right now, completely free, that most creators have never even opened. And once you see what it does, you are going to wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. I'm going to take a single sentence describing an idea and turn it into a fully animated short film. Characters, locations, props, scenes, all generated automatically, all consistent from shot to shot. I tested this from a completely blank screen, and what came out genuinely surprised me. But stick around, because later in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take this same idea and export it in full 4K. And the difference is something you need to see for yourself. The tool is called Google Flow. Search for it, sign in with your Google account, no separate sign up needed. Once you've logged in, click New Project. Then open Tools on the left and scroll down until you find Storyboard Studio. Pick a visual style. I am going with realistic for the most cinematic result, and click on Get Started. You land in your workspace. You will see 3 sections: Script, Assets, and Storyboard. In Script, just describe your idea in a sentence or two. For this one, I typed out a basketball comeback story, a player waking up before sunrise to train alone, losing a big game, grinding through practice when nobody is watching, and finally walking off the court holding the trophy. Hit enter and Flow builds out the full scene breakdown automatically. It did not build the script only, but included the title, scene-by-scene breakdown, all the characters involved, and mapped out a full documentary journey. This is all possible by an inbuilt agent that automates this whole process itself. Now let's jump to assets. At the moment, everything is empty, but the beauty of Google Flow is that you do not need to do everything manually. Hit autofill characters, and in a few seconds, your main character gets generated and locked in for consistency across every scene. Same face, same jersey, same build, the whole way through. If you want to regenerate or edit any of these characters, it is pretty simple. Just click on the character you want to edit, and from there you can adjust the name, visual description, as well as clothing and accessories. Then click Generate Image. All the characters look great here, so I will go ahead and proceed with these. Now do the same thing by clicking Autofill for locations and props. One click each, and you get every visual ready, from the main character to the locations to every object included. Now the part that actually builds the movie. Head to the storyboard. Same as before, we are going to let Google Flow do the heavy lifting for us by clicking Autofill Scenes. Scroll down and keep clicking Autofill Scenes where necessary until all the sections have been generated. Flow takes your script and your assets and generates an image for every single beat of the story. No matter how many scenes or images, it all gets done in minutes. From the look of the story, the character starts by checking the time, then trains intensively for the upcoming match. Time finally reaches. She enters the basketball court and starts playing, but unfortunately she misses the shot and ends up losing in the first round. The coach comes in and has a short discussion with her, preparing her for the final round. We see her continue to train, and when the final round arrives, she enters the court with motivation and determination to win. And just like that, she walks home with the trophy. A complete storyboard, with consistent characters, generated in seconds at high quality. From here, you could stop and just have a panel storyboard if you are aiming for documentary-style videos with only static images and a voiceover. Here is the interesting part, turning this storyboard into a full video. This is where Google Flow becomes even more interesting. To turn this into video, return to the script section and make sure you are under the scenes section. This includes all the motion prompts for every generated scene. Copy the first scene's description, then click on All Media. Here you will find all the generated scenes in one place. Click on the first scene image, select Add to Prompt, paste the description in, and open the settings. Make sure the video option is on and select the frame. Set the aspect ratio, and keep the number of videos per generation at 1. From the video models, choose Omni Flash, which costs low credits, and you will also receive free credits every day. Set the duration, and generate. Repeat that same loop for every scene, copying the next scene's description, returning to all media, clicking on the next scene, adding it to the prompt, pasting in the description, and generating. By the end, you walk away with a fully animated short film, start to finish, inside one free tool, complete with sound built in. That is Google Flow. Genuinely impressive for something that costs nothing. And if you want to create a cinematic video like this, but export it in full 4K, here is exactly how you can do that using Seedance 2. This is the same comeback story, but this time it was built inside Runway. Runway is the AI creative platform that gives everyone access to the best models in the world: image, video, audio, and beyond. That includes Seedance 2, which you can now export in 4K. Let me show you exactly how, step by step. First step, the storyboard. Inside Runway, under Models, I switched over to Nano Banana Pro for its sharp, realistic, and high-quality output, and wrote out a full storyboard prompt, a 16-panel grid, same player in every frame, same jersey number, same build, with notes under each panel for what happens and how the lighting should feel. Dark and quiet in the early gym scenes, building up to bright arena light by the final shot. For the number of images per output, I set it to 1, but you can choose 4 if you want multiple variations to pick from. For the aspect ratio, I set it to 16:9 for a cinematic horizontal video, and Nano Banana Pro allows generations in 4K resolution. Then hit generate. One generation, and the entire story came back mapped out as a single cinematic storyboard image, laid out like an actual film production sheet. To download it, simply click the image and it will be saved to your device. Now that the storyboard is ready, the second step is turning that storyboard into motion. I switched to the video section and added the storyboard image. You can either upload it directly from your device or check under Assets and add it from there. Then I wrote a motion prompt describing exactly how each panel should move, the camera angle, the pacing, and small details like sweat dripping or a ball bouncing, scene by scene. From the early morning dribbling alone in the gym, to the missed shot in the losing game, to the grind through practice, to the final buzzer and the trophy lift. Under Models, I selected Seedance 2. Make sure audio is turned on and confirm the aspect ratio. Inside Runway, you can now generate videos in 4K quality with the Seedance 2 model. For the duration, I pushed it to 15 seconds. The best part about this platform is that you see the cost per generation before you even hit export, which saves you from generating content manually only to be hit with the annoying alert that you have used all your credits. Hit generate and give it time to process. Seedance 2 took that single motion prompt and converted the whole storyboard into a full moving video, keeping the same face, same jersey, and same lighting progression all the way through. Third step, and this is the one that actually changes the final result. Once the video is generated, export it straight out in 4K. Look at this footage.
Nobody sees the work until you're standing in the light.
The sweat on his skin, the texture on the jersey, the grain on the hardwood, the shine on that trophy. This is the kind of detail that actually holds up on a big screen or in a real client delivery, not just a phone feed. With Runway, you get the most out of Seedance 2, and now that includes full 4K export, so the final file you walk away with actually matches the quality of wherever it ends up. And Seedance 2 is not the only model in there. It sits right alongside the other leading models, including Kling 3, also with 4K export, GPT Image 2, Grok Imagine, Gen 4, 5, VO3, and more. So you can pick the best model for each step of a project, the storyboard, the motion, and the final export, all under one subscription. If you want to try this yourself, the link is in the description, and you get 30% off 3 months with the code Seedance4K. So that is the same story, told 2 ways. Google Flow gets you a finished animated short for free, fast, and honestly good enough for most everyday content. But if you have a shot you actually plan to use somewhere it matters, a portfolio piece, a client project, anything headed for a bigger screen, running it through Runway and exporting in Seedance 2 4K is the difference you will actually notice. Try building your own storyboard today, even if it is just a 15-second test, and let me know in the comments which version you would reach for. If this helped, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people, and subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this one. I will see you in the next video.